Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can trade your USDT to your fiat money, your local currency on Bitget. So on your home screen, you click on assets, you go to assets, as you can see that arrow. So you see something like this, then you click on transfer. This is the first step. You click on transfer. This is to confirm if your USDT is on the proper place, you understand? So you click here. When you click on transfer, it will bring you here. So you switch from spot to OTC account. Note, from spot to OTC account. This is the arrow that go up and down here. That's where you click. So then you click the amount. If it is everything that you want to transfer, you click it. If it is minimal, you click it. Then to bring you here, you go back to your home screen. Then you click on your profile icon up there. So to bring you here, then you locate your P2P. You scroll down to locate P2P. Then you click on sell, because we are selling, we are not buying. Then you click on sell. See, these are the merchants. These are the merchants that are ready to buy your USDT. So you click on sell, then click on USDT over there. It's always automatically USDT, but you can switch. You can also trade BTC, but it's always like default USDT. Then you click on limit. So here on limit, you have to input the amount that you're about to trade for. For instance, now let's say dollars to naira is 1,200. Maybe you now want to sell like $40. So you input it in your local currency. Don't forget, this is NGN. If your local currency is cedis, you change it from here. But for my own country, it's NGN, Nigerian money. Then click on confirm. After doing that, then you choose method. You click on method of payment. I've made video on how to choose method of payment on your Bitget account, so you see it on your screen there. You can watch it. If you have not made that, you have to do that before you can make this transaction. For me, I'm clicking on OP because I've made that method of payment already. So now I can choose any merchant I want. Hope you see the payment method here. That is where you choose the payment method. But I've made video on that. You see it on the screen, or you search for my previous video, you see it. Now you have to confirm the merchant is legit, so you don't fall into scammers. So for you to know they are online, if you show this green dots, you can also check their previous order. You can check their percentage, how people have rated them so far, for you to have that confidence in the particular merchant you're choosing. And you also check their limit order, like the amounts they are selling, the limit amounts they are selling out. They are buying rather. So for many of them, they are buying at least 5,000 naira worth of USDT upward. So I think I should go for SK Money, because he's having 90 something percent here. Then I'll click on I understand, then agree after picking the merchant I want. So after clicking on that, it will bring you here. Here is the deal there. So you have to click on sell USDT. So to bring you here, you can as well, if you haven't changed the spots, you can make the correction here. Did you get? So you can still reduce the amount that you are selling here if you are not, you understand. Then you click on confirm. You understand? If you have not changed from spot to OTC, you can still change it from here. Do you get? Then you click on confirm after choosing the amounts that I feel like 28 will not be enough for me, so I'll need to add the rest. After clicking on confirm, I still have to add the rest, because I think that will not be enough for the money I need. So I had another 10 USDT. Then to bring you here, then you click on fiat. Don't forget, we were on crypto before. Now you click on fiat. Fiat is your local currency. Then here you type in the amount you wanted on your local currency. I want 40,000. So I type the amount, then it bring me here. After typing amount, I will scroll down. After typing the amount, you scroll down to click on confirm. Now I'm selling 28.78 USDT. That's worth 40,000 naira here. Then I click on sell USDT. Now it's on this interface, it can take you like up to 13 minutes depending on how fast the merchant is. Make sure you don't click on confirm if the person have not dropped the money, so you don't fall into so you just have to like wait. You have to have patience. At this point you have to have a lot of patience. It always take like 10-15 minutes depending on how fast the merchant is, you get, or the network. Then after receiving the payment, you can now click on I have confirmed the receipt. Then you click on release. Now you can now release your USDT to the person. I hope you get that. So you now click on release. You click on release. After I click on release, they will send you OTP to your number or your email, depending on which one you are using. For me, the number is kind of slow, so I had to like change it down there to email. Then I gave them my review. It was positive. Then I submit. If the process was negative, you have to click on negative. Then you lodge your complaint so they can help you rectify the whole thing. So that's how to go about it. You can now view your assets. You understand? Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow for more. Please don't forget to drop your comment. If you have any question or any good comment, just drop it. Bye.